just after Christmas, I bought myself a 30-mile-an-hour remote control car. And obviously I stuck a load of EL wire to it, and you can watch that video. But then I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a video on daylight. So I attached this to it and went down the park.
Shut up and sit down.
So, all was well when we left the park, and then, in my great wisdom, I thought, I know what I'll do. I'll drive it really fast down the back alley behind our house. There's a few puddles, and I thought, challenge, let's dodge the puddles. I was doing really well, and I dodged quite a lot of puddles, and then this happened. Yeah, the remote control car isn't working at the moment. Taking it apart, I'm letting it dry out. Fingers crossed it works again. Oh dear. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you give it the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. I don't know where it is, it's somewhere around there. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching. See you later.